Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Range Rover Velar, where elegance meets power in one stunning package. For those who crave both luxury and performance, this mid-sized SUV is a statement on wheels. With its minimalist, modern design, the Velar is unmistakable. From the floating roof to the flush door handles, every line on the Velar is about seamless sophistication. The subtle LED matrix headlights give it a sharp look, while the 21-inch wheels add to its athletic stance. Inside, you're wrapped in premium materials, leather, brushed aluminum, and even sustainable textile options. The dual touchscreen interface, Land Rover's Pivi Pro system, is fast, intuitive, and now compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. The 12.3-inch digital driver display ensures you're always in control, while the Meridian 3D surround sound system provides a concert-like experience on every drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Velar comes with a range of powertrains, from a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering 247 horsepower to a new 3.0L inline, 6-mild hybrid, packing 395 horsepower. And if you're eco-conscious, there's a plug-in hybrid option offering up to 40 miles of electric-only range. No matter the engine, the Velar's 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth shifts, and adaptive dynamics ensure a comfortable, responsive ride. Of course, being a Range Rover, it's not just about looks and luxury. The Velar excels off-road too, thanks to Land Rover's Terrain Response 2 system. Whether you're navigating snow, mud, or rocky trails, the Velar adjusts effortlessly to keep you moving forward. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera make sure you're always aware of your surroundings. Plus, with the optional clear-sight rear-view mirror, a live video feed replaces your traditional mirror, offering an unobstructed view no matter what's in the back. Stylish, capable, and loaded with tech, the 2025 Range Rover Velar proves that luxury and adventure can go hand in hand. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement of sophistication for those who refuse to compromise.